Welcome to another episode of Making Magic with your host, Bradley Morris from Majik Media. This is the go-to show for purpose-driven creators to get inspired with innovative new ideas to produce your educational content, build thriving online communities, and turn your message into a movement.
Hello, Magic Makers. Thank you so much for joining me for this video or this podcast episode. I'm just going to get straight to it. I'm launching something called the Magic Mind, and I want to take you through all of the things that the Magic Mind entails. This has been a long unfolding journey of arriving to here, and I've got a lot of amazing pieces to offer you that can help you build your business. Courses, trainings, coaching, templates that I use for all of our Magic Media clients that we have never offered up to our students before. And I feel really excited about this. So I'm just going to dive right into what the Magic Mind is, who it's for, and how this could potentially transform your business in the coming months and year. So pay attention, grab something delicious to drink. Maybe you're out for a walk. If you're not walking, then you could be listening to this and you could just go for a nice walk while you listen to this. So here we go. The Magic Mind, ultimately, it's for people like you. Maybe you can't quite afford the coaching you're looking for. You're a creator and you're wearing many, many hats. Perhaps you can't afford the coaching that you're looking for. You're in that uncomfortable in-between stage of growing your business. And you have tons of tasks, you have limited resources, and you struggle to stay focused and prioritize what's going to really tip things forward for you. And maybe you lack efficient systems, you're not techie by nature, and you're looking to take things to the next level, and you just don't exactly know how or where or what to do that. So the Magic Mind is tailored for you if you need to design a signature workshop. My signature workshop at Majik Media has grown my email list this year by 2,500 plus people. When was the last time that posting on social media actually grew your list by 2,500 people? And the most beautiful thing, I've only taught it 8 times. I have a bunch more booked for later on this summer and this fall, but it's not like I'm doing this full time. This is like literally 8 hours of teaching time has grown my email list by 2,500 plus people. So if you need a signature workshop, I'm teaching that this September, and that'll be included in your Magic Mind subscription. If you need a fail-proof launch strategy that's made well over $1 million in launch revenue over the last few years, our pre-sales magic training is included in the Magic Mind, and it provides you with the exact steps we take every single time we launch a partnership, community, or membership, as well as all of our launch templates, email templates, spreadsheet templates to help you stay organized and on track. And this is the type of training you want to implement at least 100 days before you launch your product, your course, your membership, or whatever it might be. So this is something that you want to dig into today if you plan to launch something in September or October. Also, if you need a marketing strategy that actually works, that isn't just going to be somebody telling you to post 3 times a day on social media and hope for the best. The way I've grown Majik Media year after year without relying on social media is through relationships. So if you're seeking a fresh perspective on marketing, one that emphasizes genuine relationships in the real world, then I'm going to coach you to reimagine marketing and to develop an exciting strategy that you'll be eager to implement in your business. This is going to be stuff that you're probably not hearing in too many other places, and I'm going to break it down. I'm going to make it very grounded and easy to follow so that you can create a strategy that you're stoked about, that actually works, that actually brings you in more leads and brings you in more paying customers, clients. And it's going to be fun. If you need creative feedback on your work, I have 18 plus years of experience as a creator and coach. I've built countless projects, memberships, launches, websites, businesses. I've honed my ability to identify the elements that make a significant impact on your business and influence and offerings. So let me help you focus on the aspects that will truly make a difference. This is one of my favorite things to do, is just like offer feedback. It's so easy for me at this stage of my business when I've seen so many things and built so many things, and I'm in this space all the time, every day. And my feedback, some slight tweaks or changes or suggestions can make a massive difference to your business and your income. And that's a part of what I do in the Magic Mind space. If you need help brainstorming options and ideas, or if you're feeling creatively deflated, I'm a spark. I ignite those electrical currents inside of you that help you to gain new ideas, perspectives, and plans for your project. So Majik Media has grown into a creative agency, and I'm blessed to work with some amazing artists. And we come up with fun, actionable ideas all the time. It's what we do. And so if you want our magical minds into your business to offer feedback and new perspectives, that's what the Magic Mind is for. If you need to make some fast cash, I'm no stranger to having financial struggles and to living that month-to-month experience. And I have had to conjure some serious money miracles in my life. So if you're grappling with cash flow shortages, let my idea generating brain help you come up with some fast cash action plans and paths to quickly overcome your financial rut, because it sucks when you're in the struggle and survival mode, which I've been plenty of times. I'm 18 years into entrepreneurship. I know what that's like. Probably my first 10 years of entrepreneurship, I was going month to month and just surviving to get by. So I had to be very creative. I had to be very action oriented, and I had to think on my feet. And so I could definitely help those of you who are in need of that fast cash influx in your bank accounts to figure some stuff out quickly. If you need to learn how to effectively find new partnerships, rather than fixate on amassing thousands of followers and subscribers, and instead focus on a handful of strategic partners who can catapult your business beyond your wildest dreams. That's what I've done with Majik Media. Instead of needing 10,000, we literally just need 10 partners to take us to the next level. And so this is something that I've been focusing on mastering inside of Majik Media since leaving social media almost 7 years ago. And that's something that I can support you with, is crafting an actual partnership strategy that works for you and your business and offerings. If you need to produce world-class media on a budget, then you're in the right place. Throughout my career, I've written, produced hundreds of entertaining, educational lessons, comedy commercials, audio meditations that have reached millions of people, and animations that are world-class and budget-friendly. So my team and I can elevate the creative standards for media production, because if you want to get paid like a pro, you have to produce like a pro. You have to do professional work. And we can show you how to do that. We can offer suggestions that will take your media production to the next level so that your work is better respected. And trust me, your audience and bank account are going to thank you for that. If you want to know the secrets to licensing your content and courses, this is another thing that I have unlocked in my business over the years that's enabled me to reach millions of meditators with my work and generate hundreds of thousands of dollars of pure passive income without having to grow an audience of meditators. So if you want to discover these same possibilities of licensing your stuff, your courses, your audio, your content, then let me help you. And the Magic Mind also includes 100+ meditation app email addresses that you can start reaching out to with your stuff, as well as the email outreaches I've done to get my licensing contracts. And if you need to craft binge-worthy courses, that's what we specialize in. Years ago, we started playing around with entertainment as a way to teach and transform. We've developed some extremely comprehensive and fun courses that delve into the art of building binge-worthy courses that captivate and blow your audience's minds. So let us help you engage your audience like never before. If you need to create comedic marketing videos, this has been a lifelong passion of mine, and I'm finally fully stepping into it right now. We're partnering with the Harmon Brothers, one of the world's top comedy ad agencies in the world. And we have written over 50 comedy commercial scripts. We've produced 15 of them. And by September, when we officially start to do our big marketing campaign for the Magic Kids app, we will have over 40 produced comedy ads that will go out to the world. So if you're craving more laughter and humor in your life and your marketing, then I would love to play in that realm with you inside the Magic Mind. If you need to design a flagship training that generates revenue, this is something I've been really geeking out on this year, is generating signature workshop trainings. I have a create your comedy commercials training coming up. We have the design your flagship training coming up. Of all of these are like multi-week trainings that will generate revenue. And this is what I'll teach you to do as well for your own business, so that you can lead people on a transformational journey throughout the different stages of development that you're going to take them through. If you need help choosing your tech, if tech's not your first, second, or third language, like it's not for me, and you spend way too much time spinning your wheels, procrastinating, avoiding it, binge eating food and watching Netflix because you just can't face the technology because your tech phobia is so intense, and you're looking for a team of seasoned wizards to just help you choose what tech suits you best based on your needs, your budget, and your business, and you want to say goodbye to indecision and hello to productivity, because technology can propel your business forward. That's the thing. And you avoiding it is not going to help you go forward in your business. So if you're looking for some people to help you just pick the tech and move on with your life, Magic Mind is good for you. If you need to grow your coaching business of one-on-one coaching clients, I've been coaching since the ripe age of 22 years old, and I've relied on this skill to provide for my family, to pay for my team expenses. It's helped me get out of some serious sticky situations financially over the years, because being a coach it's an amazing leverageable skill. And if it's something you're doing and you're looking to grow as a part of your business, I can definitely provide a lot of assistance and ideas on how to do that. If you need to be surrounded by inspiring folks on the path with you, I have this wonderful ability over the years that I attract magical, high vibing, inspiring, creative people to my life's work. And if you crave meaningful relationships with really remarkable people, then the Magic Mind is going to be a really great place for you to return to. It is going to not have the chaos of something like Facebook or Instagram. It's going to be a focused container for you to get shit done and have a lot of fun with other creators and people that are doing really interesting and neat work in the world. You're going to have that opportunity to learn from each other and to be held accountable and to be inspired, which is really, really important. And so if this sounds inspiring to you, if you're waiting for that breakthrough, if you're tired of seeing your bank account in the negative or hardly growing whatsoever through your work, and you can't afford high-end coaching, and you don't know what to do next, then this is the place for you to come figure your shit out. I literally have so many trainings, courses, templates. When you arrive, you're going to be asked a series of questions that are going to help me prescribe the best path forward for you individually. I'll be literally supporting each and every person that comes in to figure out what the best steps are for them, for you, to get some serious momentum with your business straight away as soon as you arrive. Now, you're going to have to show up. You're going to have to do the work. You're going to have to show your work so you can get feedback on your work. You're going to have to take action. You're going to have to overcome this internal part of yourself that feels like you're not worthy, or you're not ready, or you don't deserve to be a teacher, you don't deserve to make money, or whatever your beliefs are. You're going to have to get over that shit. But I'm here to help you and hold your hand, because I've been doing this a long time. I've worked with a lot of people. We've launched a lot of really cool projects through Majik Media, through Majik Kids. I feel like my life is on fire right now. I'm doing all the things I've always wanted to do. My business is growing. I have an incredible team, and we're here to serve and support you. That's why this is called the Magic Mind. When we come together and we live our wildest dreams and we take action towards it, we brainstorm, we collaborate, we support one another. That's the magic. That's the magic of the collective. And that's what the Magic Mind is about. It's going to be a space for you to be inspired daily, to take your next steps, to do your best work and bring that to the world, because the world deserves your best work. And you can't do this stuff on your own. And because of the path I've chosen with Majik Media, because I've left social media, because I've experimented with so many different business models over the years, I have a lot of unique perspectives you're not going to hear anywhere else. I'm going to give you coaching advice that is unlike anywhere you're ever going to hear it, because of my background of teaching 500 meditation workshops, because of my experience of playing professional golf and the amount of focus required to do so. You're not going to be getting coaching anywhere else like you are here. And so if you're struggling, or if you're done with your struggles, this is going to be for you. If you're ready for breakthroughs, this is for you. I guarantee you can have a breakthrough in your first week that propels you in a new direction, that gets you ridiculously inspired about waking up every day and doing the work. If you're not inspired with the work you're here to do, then you're doing something wrong and you need support. And I'm the kind of guy that's going to light an inspirational fire under your ass, because that's just what I do. And I hope to see you inside of the Majik Mind. You can literally subscribe today. You can join the Majik Mind right now, and I'll see you on the inside and start prescribing what your next steps should be based on who you are, where you are, and what you want to do and what you're struggling with right now. All the resources are right there. The templates are right there. I'm ready to support you. Let's do this thing. Thank you so much for listening. And please pass this on to anybody you know who's a creator, who's a coach, and who needs this next step up in their game. I'm here to serve you, and I can't wait.
Thanks for tuning in to this episode of the Making Majik podcast with your host, Bradley T. Morris from Majik Media. If you're inspired to leverage your life's work by crafting your transformational, educational, and inspirational media, thriving online community, profitable membership, or to turn your message into a movement, then head on over to majikmedia.com. That's MAJIK media.com, and explore what our Creators Club or partnership opportunities have to offer you and your beautiful business.